In MOJ in the last year, we've made a big push at developing our programme and project management capability. I'm really proud of the fact that we have established and mobilised some really large programme teams to deliver some really complex programmes which are now being delivered to support our Secretary of State's agenda.
I particularly was pleased to see some of the things we've talked about at the centre and were given a platform through the Civil Service Reform Plan 2 years ago really seem now to be part of the lifeblood of how organisations and offices around the country are approaching their work.
Over the next year, one of the things that we're really going to be working on is staff communications. I think face-to-face communications are obviously the best way of giving everybody in a department information about what's happening, and I think they need to be done really regularly in order to be effective. We're all taking responsibility for doing better communication in the department and giving everyone who works there the opportunity both to hear what is happening and also to offer feedback and affect the direction that the department is going in.
We've also really gripped the open policy making agenda, looking at new ways to engage our stakeholders and our users to understand better how we can deliver good policy solutions for them.
I'm very proud to have joined the DWP team 6 months ago. It's got a terrific record as a department of having improved service delivery considerably. There's some fantastic improvements, for example in call handling time and in the shift to JSA claims online that have been made, and this has been done hand in hand with a 10-point increase in staff engagement over the last 2 years.
When Levine came back himself to report on progress to Parliament the back end of last year, he congratulated people not just on implementing the letter of his recommendations but the spirit too, which shows that we've really taken on the behavioural and cultural challenge that he set us.
We've now got a very new mobile flexible IT which has just come in, and we're really looking to it to really transform how we work together in the department, how we work collaboratively, that we can work much more flexibly at home with our stakeholders, how it might help us make policy more effectively, develop greater partnerships of collaborative working with business, etc.
Looking forward, we're doing some work on DWP 2020, which is starting to look at the vision of us as a department in 5 years' time, what it means to work for the government, what it means to work for DWP, the nature of the job roles that my colleagues and myself will have in terms of how we interact with the public, the way that we do that in face-to-face and also increased digital channel shift. So this is the beginning of a next stage of a very exciting journey.
We are really excited about the next 12 months and what we can improve within HMRC. And one of those things is our digital transformation. We've achieved a lot in a short space of time, but there's so much further we need to go. Our user experience can be improved, the offerings that we give our customers can be enhanced, and we are determined in HMRC over the next 12 months to improve that experience, to improve our offering so that customers get a better service.